Hello to all, welcome to sarkarinaukrivale.com. Here is a job in DRDO. It is a DRDO recruitment 2020. Apply online. Last date is 10 July 2020. It's a direct recruitment for the post of scientist grade B in DRDO. To apply this job, you have to go to www.sarkarinaukrivale.com. Then you will find the detail there. Let's check out the detail. The company name is DRDO Recruitment. It's a post for scientist grade B in DRDO. It's a direct recruitment for the post of a direct scientist grade B DRDO. Advertising number is 137. Post name is here will be you will find various technical and non-technical post. Post name is scientist grade B. Total vacancies are 167. Starting date to registration is 14 May 2020. Last date to apply is 10 July 2020. Last date to submit the fees is 10th of July 2020. Let's check the fees. Application fees for the general, OBC, SC, ST and physically handicapped and female candidates are in such a way. For the general candidate it's 100 rupees. For OBC persons it's 100 rupees. For SC, ST candidate there is no requirement of fees to be submitted. For physically handicapped candidate there is no requirement of fees to be submitted. For female candidate there is no requirement to submit the fees. Let's check now the qualifications. Post graduation is required for the maths, physics, chemistry, psychology. The candidate who are applying for the job in these category that are required to have the post graduation in these subjects, as well as it is also required to qualify in NET. Yes, graduation is required in engineering streams in the respective subject. Should be qualified. Candidate should be qualified GATE 2018, 2019 and 2020 are applicable for this post. Now we have to check the age limit. For the general and EWS, the maximum age limit is 28. For OBC candidate it is 31. For SC ST candidate it is 33. Now we have to check vacancy detail, number of the post and name of the post. In electronics and communication there are 37 posts. For the mechanical engineering there will be 35 posts. For computer science and engineering there will be 31 posts. For electrical engineering there will be 12 posts. Material science and metallurgical there are 10 posts. In physics there are 8 posts. For chemistry there are 7 posts. For chemical engineering there are 6 posts. For aeronautical engineering there are 5 posts. For civil engineering there are 3 posts. For mathematics there are 4 posts. For psychology there are 10 posts. Now we have to check the selection process, how the candidate will get selected in this examination. First of all, candidate is required to pass in GATE as well as NET. The GATE and NET score will be most important in this examination, as well as the written examination will also be held. After that, interview will be held. Document verification will also be the part of selection. how much salary a candidate will be get. As per this advertisement, 56,100 rupees as per the 7th pay commission for the post of scientist grade B will be provided. How to apply? To apply online, a candidate should come to www.sarkarinaukrivale.com. Then here he will get the official link to apply for this post. He can also read whole advertisement and then he should apply online for this post. The point to be considered before applying for the post. Desired candidate, please read complete official advertisement carefully before apply online. Candidate can apply before last date. Kindly check and read about the document which are required. Kindly check the eligibility and qualification which is required for the post. Kindly check and read about the basic and address detail. Kindly check the requirement and the size of photo, scanned copy and ID proof and send it as if the institute required in the particular size, color. Before submitting the application form, checks all the columns carefully 2 times. You are required to check the photo size, photo color, signature and all. If it is required to pay the fees, then the candidate is required to submit his fees before the last date. After that, his submission of the form will be considered as a complete form. If any institute is required to submit your documents in the hard copy, then you have to submit before the closing date, which is mentioned in the application form. You must take a printout after the submitting the application form for the further query. Wish you all the very best in your life. Help yourself and others to develop yourself and your nation to grow. Important links are here. These are official notification, apply online, admit card and results. Just click here and get the information in detail. Thank you very much.